came to this country as refugees. We were beat down and bullied. We stood together to stand up for ourselves. Then somehow, we ended up killing each other. If these were my last words before I die, I would look you in the eyes and never even lie. We were born refugees and raised by the streets. Cross over sidewalks, guns cocked on concrete. We grew up corrupt, like we were part of a dog pound. Treated like animals, so we did what we had to do. People hated us in school, had a brutal education. The other kids would say, go back to where you came from. They never knew we had no land to go back to. Beat us down to the ground, we became crooks. Pissed off with bad looks, got pushed to the edge. They spit in our faces, so we tasted the races. Trying to break us down and it's making us crazy. No one to protect us, so we got each other's backs. Forced to fight back, gang banging's all we had. It's all we had. Gas blast got us pissed off with rage. Bullets engraved, 18 clans up our last names. Survived this country, now we killing each other off. Bandana rags up on our story cloth. Gas blast got us pissed off with rage. Bullets engraved, 18 clans of our last names. Survived this country, now we killing each other off. Bandana rags up on our story cloth. Back then we had no one to look up to. No positive role models. The older G's were like heroes to us, cause they stood up strong for themselves. We rollin' packs, open Civics and Camrys, guns packed, gangster tracks, banging out back between Hmong and America, where two cultures clash. Run away from the cops and get shot in the back. Nowhere to belong and lost, chillin' together. Sacrifice of this life, leave family severed. We fight over colors and tattoo affiliations. Bring fear and panic to New Year celebrations. Bleed loyalty to the streets we were raised in. Got clicks and clips, bamboo sticks and bricks. Just wanted respect, all we got was rejection. Wanted protection, helping each other was a lie. Staying alive, rivals with homicidal eyes. Why do we despise each other so much to die? Like prison when every kid wants to be down. Grow up like older G's just to be buried underground. Gas blast got us pissed off with rage. Bullets engraved, 18 clans of our last names. Survived this country, now we killing each other off. Bandana rags up on our story cloth. Gas blast got us pissed off with rage. Bullets engraved, 18 clans of our last names. Survived this country, now we killing each other off. Bandana rags up on our story cloth. A lot of kids were in prison for like 10 to 15 years for gunshots and gang violence. Only our families were there to support us until the end. Got locked up with rags hanging out our pockets. Kids chose to gang bang or break dance, rocking it. 30 years of hip hop since the arrival for us. True to the movement, we use it to influence rising up. Rappers make music to brag about guns and kill. MC's the remedy, rep our struggles to be the voice. The choice to change, speak up and spit out the drama. Gotta be down for life, I had to turn my life around. Believe me, it wasn't easy to leave demons for peace. Till I saw my people in the jungles begging on knees. Then I knew I had to fight beginning until this day. Killing each other, another way erasing the race. Till the day I die, rep my people, culture and history. Stronger than the bond the gangs had to be. Hands in the air, turn my gang sign into a fist. Never let them break us down again, we gotta resist. Gas blast got us pissed off with rage. Bullets engraved, 18 clans of our last names. Survived this country, now we killing each other off. Bandana rags up on our story cloth. Gas blast got us pissed off with rage. Bullets engraved, 18 clans of our last names. Survived this country, now we killing each other off. Bandana rags up on our story cloth. Gas blast got us pissed off with rage. Bullets engraved, 18 clans of our last names. Survived this country, now we killing each other off. Bandana rags up on our story cloth. Gangbangers anthem to recognize those that survived the gang life and turned their lives around.